For Android, scan the QR code for Android or search BMS Meta on Google Play. This application can be installed on Android 4.3 or above, supports devices with Bluetooth 4.0 and above. For iOS, scan the QR code for iOS or search BMS Meta on Apple App Store. Turn on Bluetooth and then open the app to connect your device. Find the corresponding number on the side of the battery. You can modify the device name in the upper right corner. After a successful Bluetooth connection, you can click the status display button at the bottom left of the main interface to switch between different display interfaces and learn about the detailed data of the battery pack. Turn on the charging switch to charge the battery. Turn on the discharging switch to discharge the battery. You can check if there is a problem with the battery by the warning message. We typically do not share the password with users because there is no need to change the settings. We recommend to keep the default settings. Feel free to contact support.us@WattCycle.com.